Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how I painted the first two mermaids for Mermay. I won't be doing the full challenge this year because I knew I wouldn't have the time to do a full drawing every day. I've done the whole challenges over the years with following the prompts and doing a drawing every day for the whole month. But I've noticed after all these years that those challenges aren't really for me. There's a lot of work behind all those challenges. You have to do sketches, come up with a concept for a new drawing. You have to draw it, and for YouTube you have to film it, edit it, and that takes a lot of time, and that is a bit much just for a challenge. I also want to have the freedom to draw whatever I want to draw that day, and so I've decided this year that I will be drawing mermaids during May, but I don't follow any rules. I will draw mermaids and have fun, and let's see how many I will do this month. For the first mermaid I did for this year, I didn't have any plan. So I started doodling in another sketchbook that I have where I just simply sketch out some concepts and do gesture drawings and stuff like that. And I came up with the concept for this mermaid. So the basic idea was just to have something looking like a koi fish, and I wanted to incorporate some sort of peony looking flower into her tail, and so I just came up with this. I used my Rubens watercolors for the entire drawing, and I also used my Polychromos colored pencils and my Finetec Metallic watercolors for the border, and I used my Hahnemühle D&S Sketchbook, which is not a specific watercolor type of paper. It's more for dry mediums, but I found a way to make it work somehow, and it's actually pretty good for mixed media. For the first mermaid, this is pretty much it, so I leave you watching me drawing this piece while I have some music playing for you in the background. I hope you enjoy it. For the second painting, I just didn't want to paint a mermaid. I wanted to take this painting to learn some color theory. I've been painting for a long time, but I've never actually put too much time into color theory and actually studying colors. So I felt in the past couple of weeks that it would be a good idea if I might do it. Usually I just pick random colors without even thinking too much about it, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. So I always get frustrated when it doesn't. And for this painting, I thought I might go on the internet and search for some pictures of underwater scenes and people underwater and fish underwater, just to see how the colors work down there. And I put some of the pictures into Procreate and just selected the colors with the color pick tool just to see what colors actually are there. And then I just mixed the colors that I saw. I've also used my Rubens watercolors for this painting, and I just how I said, I just mixed the colors that I saw in the pictures, and I think in the end it made a huge difference, because if I would have painted this with just picking random colors just like I usually do, it wouldn't have turned out this way at all. I really love how it looks, and I really want to do a full painting of this in the future on proper watercolor paper. So for this piece I used my Paul Rubens watercolors again, and since I messed up some parts, I used my Caran-d'Ache Luminance colored pencils to fix some areas, because those pencils are really good for that. And I've also used some Polychromos, and that's it.